In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of your Tesla trunk not opening with the button or not opening all the way in your Model S or Model Y. If you're experiencing problems with the trunk, here's what you can do to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Start by ensuring your Tesla is powered on and unlocked, as the trunk release system may not work if the vehicle is locked. Try opening the trunk using the button inside the car, the key fob, or the Tesla mobile app. If it doesn't respond, restart the touchscreen by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds to reset the system. After the reset, attempt to open the trunk again. If the trunk still won't open or doesn't open fully, check for physical obstructions. Inspect the trunk area for items that might be blocking the latch or preventing the trunk from moving freely. For Model S, ensure the hydraulic struts or motorized mechanism isn't worn out or damaged. For Model Y, check the electronic latch system and ensure there's no dirt, debris, or ice obstructing the mechanism. If the trunk opens partially, but not all the way, the issue could be with the strut supports or alignment. Manually lift the trunk to see if it stays open. If it doesn't, the struts may need replacement. You can also try recalibrating the trunk by holding the trunk open button for 5 to 10 seconds while the trunk is fully open. For situations where the trunk still won't open, use the manual release method. For Model S, locate the manual release cable in the trunk area, refer to your owner's manual for exact placement, and pull it to release the trunk. For Model Y, use the manual release handle located near the trunk latch to open it manually. If none of these steps work, there may be an issue with the trunk sensors, wiring, or motor. In this case, contact Tesla service or schedule a service appointment to diagnose and repair the problem. If this video helped you fix your Tesla trunk not opening issue, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.